the Bulldozer Part Challenge. That names the part of this most powerful bulldozer. Let's start here in front with the blade. The short bottom part on the blade is called the cutting edge. These are the tracks. Track dozers are sometimes called crawlers. Yes, crawlers. These are the track chains and the track tubes. These are the sprockets. This bulldozer has a high drive. That means that this sprocket that is connected to the engine and drives the dozer sits up higher than the other sprockets. Look at the back of the dozer. This is a ripper. You might guess from the name the ripper tears up and breaks the ground. This is the ripper shank. A ripper may have just one shank, or it might be multi-shank ripper. This means that it has more than one shank. This dozer has a ripper with 3 shanks. Of course, like most powerful work machine, the dozer uses hydraulic cylinders to do its work. These cylinders power the ripper, and this lifts the blade. This is the push frame. This is the exhaust pipe. And this is the cab where the operator sits while he drives the dozer. Let's review much faster now. Here we go. Blade, cutting edge, tracks, track chains, track shoes, sprockets, high drive, ripper shank, hydraulic cylinders, push frame, exhaust pipe, cab. Oh, you are good! And did you know that some people call a small dozer a calf dozer? Funny, huh? Goodbye!